If you are also trapped in the car, do you know how to escape from the car? In fact, the engineers of automobile manufacturers have reserved a lot of emergency switches that can save lives before the car leaves the factory. For example, the car cannot be put into gear. Let's lift this dust cover. There's a yellow plastic piece inside. Let's press down with our hands. In this way, you can put into gear normally without stepping on the brake. Don't panic when your brakes fail while driving. Let's hold the electronic handbrake switch with our hands. This way the car can stop steadily. In the end, we were stuck in the car and couldn't get out. Open the small cover behind the seat. Insert the mechanical key in, and put down the rear seat with a light swipe. Give me your phone and I'll show you. Climb in. There's a plastic cover on the trunk door panel. Let's flick the direction of the arrow with our fingers to open the door for emergency escape. Is it particularly useful? I'm Brother Che. You can learn more car knowledge on my homepage.
S is a large car. E is a medium and large car. C is a medium-sized car. B is a station wagon. A is a compact car. GL is a city off-road vehicle. GLS is a four-door sports car. The SL is a premium sports car. SLK is a small sports car.